In this video, I'm going to provide you with 4 tips you can use to get your kids excited about eating lunch, or for that matter, any meal. My name is Vishant Dave. I'm a full-time personal trainer and a father of 2 young boys. I'm extremely familiar with all the challenges that we have as parents of how do we get our children to want to eat healthy foods, but at the same time make it fun and exciting for our children so that they want to do it. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys 4 tips that have worked for me that I hope can work for you. Tip number 1, make lunch fun. A couple ways you can do that. First, if they're having a sandwich at their lunch, get a cookie cutter shape of a different object, whether it be a car, a diamond, whatever you can get that you would maybe bake a cookie with that shape and cut it out. Cut the sandwich out of that shape. Make it fun and exciting. Another way you can make lunch fun and exciting for your children is maybe add a special note in their lunchbox, or just add a sticker. Maybe their favorite movie sticker or TV show. Like for my kids, they love the Cars movies and PJ Masks. Tip number 2, keep it clean. What do I mean by that? Keep your kids' lunchbox clean and in little compartments. What I love to use in order to make this happen is I get a bento box. I just get one from Amazon. It has like 4 different little compartments that you can put different food items in, so you can keep each food item separate from the other. It makes it look really nice, but again, keep it clean. Tip number 3, explore new foods with your child. That's a fun and exciting thing to do. The key, however, is to add in a new food item with some existing food items that you know that they already like. So for example, you could add in some new veggies, you could add in some new fruits, but the key is add it into something that they already like as well. My children love blueberries, but if I want to add in raspberries, I'm going to still keep some of the blueberries while adding in some of the raspberries as well. That way, if for whatever reason they don't like the new food that I'm introducing to them, they still have what they are familiar with and that they do like. It's also a great way at the end of the day when you pick your children up or when you're speaking at dinner, you can have a conversation around, how did you like that new fruit or vegetable or food item that I put into your lunch? Did you like it? Did you not like it? Do you want more of it? It's a great way to have a conversation around healthy eating habits to your children. Tip number 4, make your kids' lunch balanced. We all need to eat a balanced diet of healthy protein, healthy carbohydrates, and healthy fats, I believe. You want the lunch that you're providing to your children to fuel them throughout their day so that they're alert, they're focused. So what does that mean? Healthy protein options can be eggs, it can be cheese, it can be soy, it can be meat alternatives, it can be dairy, nuts and seeds. You want to give them healthy carbohydrates, so you want to primarily focus on vegetables and fruits as their source of carbohydrates. The one thing I would encourage you guys all to avoid are the sugary, sweet treats, because you know that's just going to have them get a burst of energy, and then they're going to be super tired when that sugar burns out. Approach their lunch just like I would encourage you to approach your eating habits, which is a balanced approach. So I have a question for you. What suggestions or tips do you have that work for you and your children about healthy eating habits that you could share with the rest of us? Leave it in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found these tips useful and helpful. If you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you would like, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and share the video if you find that these tips could help some of your other friends or family members with their children in introducing healthy eating habits to them in a fun and exciting way.